General paper 4. Previously we have done general paper 1, 2 and 3. This is the fourth general paper. In the number pattern 1, 3, 5, 7. What is the general term? According to this number, with your experience, you can understand which type of number pattern is this. This is a odd number pattern. What is the general term? Then we can write here. This first term is 1. First term we could obtain 1 into 2 minus 1 equals 1. Next one 3 here. We could obtain 3 like this. 2 times 2 minus 1 equals 3. Next one is 5. 3 times 2 minus 1 equals 5. 4 times 2 minus 1 equals 7. Like that we can obtain, but they are asking the general term. Then general term n number, n into 2 minus 1. We can write general term 2n minus 1. Then this is the general term 2n minus 1. What is the eighth term? And double this number, subtract 1. Eighth term 2n minus 1. 2 times n is 8 minus 1. 16 minus 1, answer is 15. Next one. Which term is 31? Use the general term 2n minus 1 equals 31. 2n equal 31. Borrow this minus 1 to other side. Plus 1. 2n equals 32. N we have to find in between 2 and n multiplication. Then borrow 2 to other side. N equals 32 divide by 2. N equals 16. N equals 16. Next question. Explain given reasons whether 84 is a term of this number pattern. Really? This is an odd number pattern, not the even number. So, the last digit is even. So, this can't be the number in this number pattern. Only odd numbers found is in this number pattern. 84 is an even number. Therefore, 84 cannot be a term in this number pattern. So we can write here only odd numbers. Only odd numbers found in this number pattern. Next one, the common term of number pattern Tn 5 minus 3n. Write down its first three terms. Then Tn equals 5 minus 3n. We had to write first three terms. Then T1 first. T1 equals 5 minus 3 times 1. T1 equals 5 minus 3. T1 equals 2. Now let's find the second term. T2 equals 5 minus 3 into 2. T2 equals 5 minus 6. T2 equals 5 minus 6 minus 1. Third term, T3 equals 5 minus 3 times 3. T3 equals 5 minus 3 times 3, 9. T3 equals 5 minus 9 minus 4. Then what are the first three terms here? 2 minus 1 minus 4. Write the 12th term of it. Tn general term 5 minus 3n. Then here n equals 12. T12 equals 5 minus 3 times 12. T12 equals 5 minus 3 times 12, 36. T12 equals minus 31. Minus 31. Which term of this pattern is minus 25? Which term of this pattern is minus 25? 5 minus 3n equals Tn is the general term. Then it's equal. This amount equals minus 25. 5 minus 3n. It means Tn equal has given minus 25. Now substitute this value. 5 minus 3n equals minus 25. Minus 3n equals minus 25. Borrow this plus 5 other sides become minus 5. Minus 3n equals minus 10. N equals, you can hear a 25 subtract 5, that is 20. That is we have to mention the general term here. This is 20. Sorry, when we add these two, it is minus 25 minus 5 minus 30, right? Then borrow this minus 3 into other side, then it is division. N equals minus 30 divided by minus 3. N equal plus 10. Express n minus 1 term in this terms of n. Then we can write here Tn equals 5 minus 3n. N term has given n equals n minus 1. One term. Then we have to find here T n minus 1 equals 5 minus 3 into substitute n minus 1. T n minus 1 equals 5 minus, remove the brackets. 3 times n, 3n, minus into minus plus 3 times 1, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Then T n minus 1 equals 5 and 3, 8. 8 minus 3n. is the n minus 1 term. A wire frame made by welding wires is shown in the figure. Find its perimeter. Mean they have marked already here 2 centimeter, then it's here also 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2, and here also 2, and here 2, here 2. Let's count how many 2's. 1, here also 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 toes. Then our perimeter equals 2 into 11 plus. Now check how many 4's are here. 1, 2. 4 into 2. Here how many 6's? 2. Plus 6 into 2. This all are in centimeters. Perimeter equals 22 plus 8 plus 12. 22 and 8, 30, 30 and 12, 42 centimeter. Perimeter equals 42 centimeter. A figure of a gate given with 2 panels, calculate the perimeter of the gate. We can't add this interior line. Around the gate you have to add. Then this is 3 meter, 3 meter and 4 meter, 2.5, 2.5. Perimeter equals 3 meter into 2 plus 4 meter into 2 plus 2.5 meter into 2. 6 meter, 8 meter, 5 meter. 6 and 8, 14, 14 and 5, 19 meter. This height is not relevant. Next question. Question number 4. If AB and CD are straight line segment, find the value of x, y. Let's find the value of x. This one. So how can we? You can see this angle and this angle. These two lines are straight line segment, intersect each other here. So we can write these two angles. X plus 20 degrees equals 150 degrees. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. X equals 150 minus 20. X equals 130. Y. Then here y plus 150 equals 180. The reason is supplementary. Supplementary angles. Y equals 180 minus 150. y equals 30. X equals 130, y equals 30 here. The straight line segment PQ and RS intersect at T. Find the value of angle A. These two are vertically opposite angles. A angle plus 10 equals to A. A equals, then we have to find the A here. So it is easy. I will borrow this A to other side. It is easy to find. 10 decreases equals 2A. Here this is addition. When we borrow it to other side, becomes subtraction minus A. A equals 10. A equals 10 here. Next one. Simplify related to the directed numbers. Simplify plus 5 into minus 6. Really that is easy for you in between multiplication in these numbers. So check over the line and below the line. Over the line minus 6, below the line minus 6. Then minus 6 divided by minus 6 plus 1. Plus 1. Then remaining here plus 5 plus 3. Then plus 5 divided by plus 3. What is the answer? Plus 5 times plus 1 plus 5 over the line divide by plus 3. So answer is plus 5 how many trees? 1, 2 remainder, 2 third. 1 and 2 third. Now look at this one here. You can cancel over the line and below the line. Over the line minus 27, below the line minus 9. Minus divided by minus plus. 27 divided by 9, that is 3. Then cancel these two. Now plus 3 divided by minus 3. Plus divide by minus, minus 3 divided by 3, 1. Answer is minus 1. Here the price of a book was price increased by 10 rupees. Construct an algebraic expressions for the new price of the book. What is the new price of the books? Earlier price was X rupees. The new price we can write X rupees plus another, it is increased by 10 rupees, 10. X plus 10, new price. Construct an algebraic expressions for the price of 3 such books after the increase in price. Then X plus 10 rupees multiplied by 3. Then you can write 3x plus 10. 3 out of the bracket, x plus 10. Construct an algebraic expressions for the profit gain from a book with the new price. If the cost of printing a book is y rupees. So earlier we came to know construct an algebraic expression for the profit gain by a book. Then price of one book is, we came to know x plus 10, new price. Then profit we have to find. It is printing cost is 5 rupees. So you have to subtract y from this. This is the profit. X plus 10 minus y, profit. Question number 7. Simplify. First, you have to remove the brackets and simplify. 2 into a, 2a, 2 times 3, 6. Let's go to the second one. Second one, minus 4 times 3, minus 12, minus into minus plus, 4 times 5y, 20y, plus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus minus, 4 times 2x, 8x. Any more can we simplify? No like terms here. So you can keep the answer like this. Minus 12 plus 20y minus 8x. 4 times x, 4x, minus 4 times 5, 20, minus 6 times 6, 6x, minus into minus plus 6 times 2, 12. Now check the like terms. You can see this 4x and minus 6x like terms. So you can simplify them together. Plus 4x and minus 6x minus 2x. Minus 20 and plus 12, difference is minus 8. Minus 2x minus 8. Next one, a times a squared, a times 5 minus 5a plus a times a squared, a times 2 minus 2a. Then you can write a squared and a squared, 2a squared, minus 5a and minus 2a, 7a. Next one, 9. No, we have to do the 8th question. 8th one. 8, find the value of the following when x equals minus 3 and y equals 2. Minus 2 into substitute the value for x minus 3 into y value is 2. Multiply minus 2 times minus 3 plus 6 times 2 plus 6 into 2, answer is 12, plus 12. Next one, 2. First, inside the bracket simplify. X is minus 3 plus here 3. Minus 3 and plus 3 cancel, that is 0. 2 times 0, answer is 0. 2 into minus 3 into 3 into 2. Minus 6 into 6, minus 36. X squared minus 3 squared plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11. Find the value of the following. Find the value of 10. A plus 3b plus 3, a plus 2b, when a equals 7, b equals 1. 10a plus 3b plus 3a plus 2b. 10, a value is 7 plus 3 times b is 1 plus 3, a value is 7 plus 2 into 1. 10, 7 plus 3, 10 into 10 plus 3, 7 and 2, 9. Then 100 plus 27 here. What is the answer? Answer equals 127. Next question. 4a minus 5b minus 7a plus 8c. Now substitute the values here. 4, a is here 8. We can use the square bracket here. Minus 5 times b also here minus 1. Minus, here I have a skip, minus 3 here. Minus 3 bracket 7 minus a is 8 plus 8 times minus 2. Now simplify. 4. 8 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5. 8, then minus into minus plus. We can write here 8 plus 5 because minus times minus plus. 8 plus 5 minus 3 times minus 1. 7 minus 8 minus 1 plus 8 times minus 2, 16. Then 8 times 30, 4 times 13, 8 and 5, 13. 4 times 13 plus minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus into minus minus 16. Answer here 52 plus 3 minus 16. 52 and 3, 55 minus 16. Answer is 39. Combination of directed numbers and the algebra, right? All together here. Question number 10. What is the name used to identify solid in the figure? So what is the name we can use to identify this is? This is a regular tetrahedron. So we can write regular How many edges are there? Let's image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 edges. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. How many faces are here? How many faces? 1, 2, 3. The other side base also. Altogether 4 faces are here. What geometrical shape is taken by base of this figure? That is the equilateral triangle. You can see four faces, each are cross-section equilateral triangle. Write down Euler's relationship. What is Euler's relationship? Euler's relationship says number of vertices plus number of faces equal number of edges plus 2. Number of vertices plus number of faces equals number of edges plus 2. This is the Euler's relationship. V plus F equals E plus 2. This is the Euler's relationship. Cube. Number of vertices. How many number of vertices we can see in a cube? 8. Number of faces? 6 faces are there. Number of edges? 12 edges. Then Euler's relationship is true. Let's apply and see. Number of vertices, V is 8. Number of faces, 16. Number of faces, 6 equals 12 plus 2. Yeah, it means faces, number of edges plus 2. 14, 14. Yes, that is true here. Yes, you can write yes. Now, cuboid. That is also a number of vertices 8, number of faces 6, number of edges 12. Then we can apply the Euler's relationship. 8 plus 6, 12 plus 2. Yeah, 14 equals 14. That is also true, yes. Question number 12. Question number 12. Find the HCF of each of the following numbers. 2, 24, 36. Then you can write 12 as the product of prime numbers. 2 into 3. 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. If someone is there, if it is straightly difficult to write the product of prime factors here, then first divide by 12 by smallest prime number 2, 6. Again divide by smallest prime number 2, 3. Again divide by 3, 1. Then 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 as product of prime numbers. That one also you can obtain same procedure. 24 divide by 2, 12. Again divide by smallest prime number 2, 6. Again divide by 2. That is 3. Again divide by 3, 1. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That one also you can obtain like this. 36 divided by smallest prime number 2. 18 divided by 2. That is 9 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3. 1. Now let's obtain the HCF. HCF equals 2 common for these three numbers. Here also 2 common and 3. Then you can write HCF 2 into 2 into 3. 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. HCF is 12 here. Highest common factor. Highest number, we could divide this, all these 3 digits is the highest common factor. Let's find the highest common factor of this. This one, we now need to follow the division like this. 4 equals 2 times 2. 6, 2 times 3. 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Highest common factor equals only 2 common, so you can write 2. Next one. HCF of each of the following algebraic terms. So we can write 6 mn 2 into 3 into m into n. 12 mn product of prime factors, 2 into 2 into 3 into m into n. 18, 2 into 3 into 3 into m into n. Highest common factor equals 2 common. Take the 2 out. Any more here? Yes, we can take 3 also common. 3 into m common. Take m also. N common. Take n. What is the HCF here? 2 times 3 is 6 mn. 6 mn. Next one, fourth one. 4x. 2 into 2 into x. 6xy. 2 into 3 into x into y. 8xy. 2 into 2 into 2 into x into y. Then HCF equals 2 common, x common, 2x. HCF is 2x. Question number 13. Write each of the algebraic expressions given below as a product of factors. Then 2 common, take 2 out, a plus b. Here we can write 2 into a plus 2 into 3. 2 common, 2 out, a plus 3. 2 into a plus 2 into 3 into b. 2 common, 2 out, a plus 3b. Next one. 3 times 5 into x plus 3 times 6 into y. 3 common, 3 out, 5x plus 6y. Next one. 5 times 5 into a. Even we can write like this. 25 times a, because 25 common for this both. It is easy for you. 25 times a plus 2 into 25 times b. 25 common, take 25 out, a plus b, 13. 14th one, find the value of each of the following. Minus 36 minus 6. Minus 36 divisible by 6, that is minus divided by minus plus 6. Plus 6 divide by minus 2, that is minus 3. Answer is minus 3. Now here minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 divided by plus 3, that is minus 3. Minus 8 divided by minus 4 plus 2. Minus 3 times plus 2 minus 6. 15th. Express each of the following expressions as a product of two factors. 2 into a into b plus 2 into 2 into a into c plus 2 into 3 into a into b. Without doing straightly, we can do it two-way common for each of these, right? So you can take 2a out. Here then 2a, here 2a. 2a out, b plus 2 times c, 2c plus 3 times b, 3b. Straightly, you can write the answer. Right, answer is 2a, b plus c plus 3b. 2c plus 3b. This one, 3pq minus 6pt plus 9px. Really 3p common. 3p, here also 3p, here also 3p. Take it out. Then divide 3pq by 3p. Then q remaining minus 6pt divided by 3p, 2t remaining, 3pt divided by 3p, 3x plus 3x. This is the answer. Q minus 2t plus 3x. Even if it is difficult for you, you can do like earlier one, 3 into p into q minus 2 into 3 into p into t. Plus, it is better to do like this. It is like long, we have to write. Those who can't really do, that's why I am explaining like this, right? Plus 3 into 3 into p into x. Then take 3p, 3p, 3p. Take 3p out. Then now you can see the remaining ones now. Q minus 2t plus 3x. It is better to do like this. Find the value related to square roots. While we are doing, we learn 2 times 2. That the root of this is 2. 3 times 3, root of this is 3. 2 times 3, 6 is the answer. 2/3 squared. Then you can write this mean. If it is even power, you have to divide by 2. 2 or it mean 1, 2 over 3 is the answer here. Find the square root of the following numbers using prime factorization method. Divide by smallest prime number 2, 1, 2, 8. Divide by smallest prime number 2, 64. Divide by smallest prime number 2, 32. Divide by 2, 16. Divide by 2, 8. Divide by 2, 4. Divide by 2, 2. Divide by 2, 1. Look at 1, 1, altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That is 16. Right, 256 square root equals 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2 square root. We have learned if even number times of powers there we can divide it by 2, right? It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. Square root is 16. And 576 divide by smallest prime number 2, 288. Now divide by 2, 144. Again divide by 2, 72. Divide by 2, 36. Divide by 2, 18. Divide by 2, 9. Divide by 3, 3. Divide by 3, 1. Then 2. Straightly I can get the square root here 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24. So you can write 576 square root equals 2 squared into 2 squared into 2 squared into 3 squared square root. We have learned the rule when we are getting even number times of power. When we are finding square root, you have to divide this power by 2. It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 3, 24 here. Question number 18. Express each of the following mass in kilograms. 2t, it means ton. 1 ton, there are 1000 kilograms. Then 2 into 1000 kilogram plus 500 kilogram. 2000 kilogram plus 500 kilograms. You have to write these masses in kilograms. So you can write 2500 kilograms. 1.2 t. Then 1.2 into t. Ton, how many tons? 1000. 1200 kilogram. Ninety. Express as a power of product. 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 here. Then we can write indices are same, 2 times 5 to the power 3. Next one, 3 to the power 2 into 4 to the power 2. Then 3 into 4 to the power 2. Express as a product of power. Express as a product of power. So how can we write? We can write this one like this. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 times 5 2 times. Then you can write 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2. Even this one, 3 into 3 into 4 into 4. Then we can write 3 to the power 2 into 4 to the power 2. Evaluate 2 to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3 times 3, 9. If it is odd number times multiply this minus, it is a minus answer. If you multiply this is even number times, answer is positive. Next question, 2 into 3 to the power 2. It means you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 3, 9. Answer is 36 here. Here minus 2 squared. It means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 2 times 2, 4 into minus into minus plus 3 times 3, 9. Then also here 36. Within 2 times 2, 4. 36. (22) Evaluate a fraction. You have to add this. First I will add the whole numerical parts. 3 plus 1 plus 1 half plus 1 third. Then 3 and 1, 4 plus half plus 1 third. You can do like this. Easy, ne? 3 times 1, 3, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 3, 6. 4 plus 3 times 1, 3 plus 2 times 1, 2 over the line. 2 times 3, 6 below the line. 4 plus 3 and 2, 5 over 6. Then our answer is 4 and 5 over 6. Second one. 2.73 into 6. Always I explain you when we are multiplying the decimals, you can multiply. Then after that only you have to count the number of decimal places and separate. Now multiply by 6. 6 times 3, 18. 1 remainder, 6 times 7, 42 and 1, 43. 4 remainder, 6 times 2, 12, 12 and 4, 16. How many decimal places? 2, 1, 2. Then 16.38 is the answer here. Next one, find the value minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 and plus 4 you can add minus 10. Right? When we can add, when we add in same signs, The answer taking the sign of that both the numbers contain plus 10. Now you can add different signs. So you have to take the difference. Difference of this minus 10 and plus 10 is 0. Answer is 0. Find the value of, you know that root of this 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3. 2 times 3, 6 is the answer here. Draw the axis of symmetry of each figure. So now look at this is a square. One axis and 2, 3. Symmetries mean we can get 2 equal half by cutting through this axis. So how many axes of symmetry here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 axes, right? 4 axes. Then now this one, 6 sides are there. This is a regular hexagon. So 6 sides, then 6 axes of symmetry here. Then first we can cut through this one, then we can get 2 equal halves. And we can cut like this. Through the vertices, we can get 2 equals half. Through these bases, you can get 2 equals half. Then these two vertices, we can get 2 equals half. And through this 2 equals half, and to this basis. Then how many axes are there? 6 here. I will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 axes of symmetry. 6 axes. Find the angle of rotation. You know, angles at the point, it is 360. So we have to get the angle of rotation. We already have learned we can find the angle of rotation. Then how many times it is coincide? That is 5 times. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can find the angle of rotation 360 divided by 5. Then angle of rotation is 70, 35 no, 7, 1 remaining 72 degrees. The angles at a point 360. How many symmetrical axes? We have to divide from number of symmetrical axes. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from 5 divided, then you can get 72. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can divide 360 by 4, that is 90. Angle of rotation is 90 here. There are 4 axes of symmetry. Here then we can divide it by 5, 360 by 5. Then we can get 72 degrees. Next one, find the value of x decreases. X plus x. What is the value of all the interior angles of a triangle? All the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. 80. We can write interior angles of a triangle. Then 3x equals 180. X equals 180 divided by 3. X equals 60 degrees. Then this is 90's mean. This all x equals, right? Equals 180 interior angles of triangles. You can write the reason. Interior angles of a triangle. Then 90 plus 2x equals 180. 2x equals 180 minus 90. 2x equals 90. Both sides divide by 2. X equals 45. X is 45 here. Then our paper already consists of 25 questions. We have done all the 25 from beginning to top of the syllabus of this term. Then I think you already totally understood. Those who are members of this YouTube class, I have already sent the paper earlier. I think you already checked the paper with my answer. Okay then, thank you.